Hey there, today I will show you my travel outfits I will pack for a European vacation this spring or summer. I pack vacation outfits that are versatile so that I can fit all of them in only a carry-on suitcase with these tips and tricks. Here are 4 travel outfit requirements for a European vacation. Number 1, versatility. Number 2, you want them to mix and match with each other so that you can pack fewer pieces of clothing. Number 3, you want your travel outfits to be prepared for unpredictable weather like rain. So we will think about some water resistant items that you might want to pack after you've checked the weather. And the 4th vacation outfit requirement for Europe is that it can be in cold or warmer temperatures. Remember that when you travel to Europe and you're on a train metro system, the airflow is almost non-existent. So if you are traveling there in the summer, pack layers accordingly. For my travel outfit inside the airplane, I'm going to wear joggers if that fits my weather and the rest of the activities I'm going to do on vacation. These are my favorite ones from Loft, and I think they're back in stock. They will go out of stock and then they'll come back in. There are hardly any wrinkles after I take them out of the dryer, after they have been folded up in my drawer all winter. These are my newest pants for travel, and they are so comfortable. The elastic is thinner and less weight, I believe, if that's a requirement for your travel outfits. And there are no gathering at the bottom. They're almost like a kick crop where you could wear them with little sandals or with sneakers. One travel tip for packing for Europe is to choose shoes that are neutral, and these sneakers are very comfortable for walking all day over cobblestone roads, but they also can be worn in the airplane with these joggers as well as with even a dress on vacation. As a pilot's wife, I've packed an only carry-on suitcase for over 20 years, so I hope these tips and tricks will help you. When I am choosing travel outfits, I usually go with a color scheme, and in the winter season, I usually go with black or blue denim, and then in the spring, summertime, I usually go with navy blue and gray. Because most of my viewers travel to Europe and they stay more than a 5-day trip, I'm going to be thinking of a very limited minimalist wardrobe while also packing enough for all of those activities. These wide-legged pants are the most comfortable pants I think I've ever worn in my entire 52 years of living. They come in like 13 different fabric choices depending on your color scheme for your vacation outfits. If I'm going by my vacation outfit requirements for packing an only carry-on suitcase, versatility wins out with this. So I would pack either a gray shirt, a navy blue shirt, a light blue t-shirt, or a black sweater or long sleeve shirt. They are very long, so I had to have them hemmed, and I love wearing them with this brown sandal. I have the older version of this sandal, but the newer one has a little bit more padding. They're very comfortable as is, though. A 3/4 length sleeve shirt is a great option for in between spring and summer. I can wear this shirt untucked or tucked in with those drawstring wide-legged pants. I have about 7 of these t-shirts. They're all from Talbot's. They'll be in the first comment. They drape a woman's body correctly. They hang right, and you can tuck them in halfway, or you can wear them untucked. If I'm going to be in a fancier, dressier restaurant, wearing monochromatic colors is another choice. So I could wear navy blue capris with one of those navy blue tops, either sleeveless, long sleeve, 3/4 length sleeve, or short sleeve, which I have 2 of. I would feel dressed up enough for that fine restaurant. This exercise shirt has been in almost every one of my packing tip videos because it is so versatile. It is not see-through, it hardly ever wrinkles, and I can wear it with so many different colored pattern pants or shorts or even blue jeans, but wearing it inside the airplane is a good tip. And then if I'm cold inside the airplane, I can pack or wear a sweater for layering. One of my favorite travel hacks in the summer is to pack a cashmere sweater instead of a regular hooded sweatshirt because of two reasons. Number one, the cashmere will keep me warmer more effectively and easily, and it's also very lightweight to pack and wear. These are from Nordstrom and they are super soft. They're not itchy whatsoever. I packed my royal blue cashmere sweater and wore it inside the airplane last summer and also in Rapid City, South Dakota. It's warm during the day in the summer, but very cool at night. My go-to shorts for vacation outfits are the Supply brand. They are amazing, and now they have so many more colors than they used to. Every once in a while, they will have a pattern, but I have about 7 of these shorts. I have 2 pairs of white ones, 2 pairs of navy blue ones, and probably 5 pairs more. They're 5 inches long. They are stretchy as well. When I do wear blue jeans as my vacation outfits, I always choose Wit and Wisdom, and these are their pants. I sized up this year, 1, because I need to, and 2, I wanted to remember that if I am going to Europe for vacation, I'm going to be eating a lot of food. And so I need stretchy waistband pants or just a size up. They're super comfortable. Wit and Wisdom has this stretchy band that holds your tummy in, but also it doesn't fall down. I don't know, they just hit mid-rise instead of ultra high rise, meaning I cannot tuck anything in those pants. So I really love these, and they have the little kick crop look to it. So I can wear sandals with them or wear tennis shoes even and be fine. Because they're versatile in color and because they're comfortable and I can mix and match and wear them in any kind of weather, it's a no-brainer to pack that for a vacation in Europe. I will talk about my shoes that I would pack for a European vacation, but real quick, if you've never tried inserts, I just tried these after another pilot wife recommended them in January, and they are fantastic. This is the cheaper brand, and then there's also a higher end brand, both on Amazon, but this brand you can cut to your size, and the other one they have instructions on how to tell them the exactly correct size for you. Another option for travel outfit blouses is from Loft. Loft makes blouses that are casual for me, for my vacation style, and the ruffles on them are usually flutter sleeve. Those are the ones that I would take or pack for a trip. I would not pack this with so big of a ruffle because when I get to my vacation destination, I'm probably gonna have to iron all of that. And ironing ruffles is way too much work for vacation. And then I found this blouse on Amazon. I also have a green one that is just, they're so bright in colors and they're happy. I wanted to let you know that it does have an elastic band and it is very soft against your skin. It's not like super tight. It's not too loose. It's just right. But they are very oversized. This is a large so that I can tuck it in if I'm wearing higher rise jeans or lower rise jeans. But it's very soft and it's not see-through. It's very easy if you do have to iron it. But also I think a shower steaming up the bathroom in the hotel would decrease the wrinkles. While we're talking about wrinkles for travel outfits, I do not like the Downy spray smell, so I can't use that. And for traveling to Europe, I never take clothes that need a steamer. So I've just never found one that is dual converter or dual whatever, so that I don't have to pack. Like the one that I loved, I cannot pack it for Europe, so I just returned it and I'll just use my regular iron here. One other travel tip is to check with your hotel to make sure there will be access to irons in your hotel room. Some over there do not have them. I love solid t-shirts because they will go with any color and somewhat any style of pants. Like this is not going to go with my wide-legged pants, but it will go with shorts. It will go with my gray pants that I'm thinking about wearing, as well as my joggers if I wanted to wear this as my airplane travel outfit. I sized up to an extra large. It is from Walmart. I'll have it linked below. One important travel tip is to question if you really need to pack a blouse like this. Like, out of my 2 pants that I'm going to pack in my carry-on suitcase, I will not wear this with the wide leg drawstring pants. I might wear them with the gray pants or capris and roll them up once for a casual look, but I don't really think I would wear this confidently with gray pants. I think this would look better with white jeans or white capris or white shorts like I wore in Cabo San Lucas, or with blue jean, like dark blue jean capris, and then my sandals. But I don't want to take those heavy blue jeans because I've got to pack in a carry-on suitcase. So as a woman especially, we have all these noodles, but what if? What if this? What if that? Here's one way to stop those noodles from driving you crazy and overpacking. Ask yourself this question: can I go throughout this vacation without this one blouse so that I can only pack those pants and the wide-legged pants? When you are thinking about travel outfits, my most important tip is to think about your shoes after you've checked the weather and your activities. They all should be neutral. I like the blush color especially for when I'm wearing shorts because they are almost my skin tone. These shoes are both water resistant, which helps me be prepared for unpredictable weather. So if I wake up in Europe after I've had my croissant, I'm going to look at the weather, and if it is raining all of a sudden from out of nowhere, I can choose one of these shoes to wear and make sure that I wear the outfit that can go with these 2 shoes. I've got some other shoes that are perfect for touring and walking around Europe all day, so be sure to watch that supportive shoe video. You may need to pack a raincoat, and this one is thin. One reason I love this raincoat is because it's not the sticky kind of fabric that some thick, bulky raincoats are for packing in a carry-on suitcase, but the hood is removable, but it's also cinchable if it's like blowing rain, and it's long enough for me. If you're holding an umbrella, that water or the rainwater might go down your sleeve. So I thought that was a great feature of this awesome jacket. A travel hack for packing for Europe in the spring or summer when you need to pack a raincoat is to have a little trash bag in the pocket of your rain jacket, then wear it into the airplane or tie it around your waist, and then when you get in the airplane seat, roll up your rain jacket, stuff it down in that trash bag, and then stuff it on the floor or above your suitcase in the overhead bins. For our river cruise, I am going to pack my little RFID purses depending on the weather. For Belgium, I had to pack my little travel-sized umbrella, and it fits easily down in this deep but slimline slash-resistant strap crossbody bag. So I might pack that one, or my usual choice is this one. It also has the slash-resistant straps just because it's smaller. I just feel less, I don't know, I like this one better. One tip I realized from my Belgium trip is that I do not like or feel confident using the slots for when I'm out touring in public. My travel tip is to pack in a thin RFID wallet because it's faster for us to put our card in our wallet and just throw it in, especially if it's under a jacket. One other travel outfit piece that I pack, especially since we're going to be on a river cruise and gone for 10 or 12 days, is a pair of exercise shorts because I feel confident in Europe wearing that to go get breakfast one morning. I'm not trying to not look like an American. I'm not trying to blend in completely because I know they're going to be able to tell I'm an American, especially because of my hairstyle and hair colors. So I'm going to be comfortable, but I'm also strategic because I need to pack in only a carry-on suitcase. All right, I hope these tips and tricks help. List your outfit ideas down below and read the other comments. Everyone's going to share their favorite brands and their ideas and their opinions, I'm sure. All right, thanks for your time.